Now that you are ready to begin, you will follow along with the student while he or she reads and record the markings. These are the markings that are used in a running record. I strongly recommend that you take notes because you will need to refer to this information as you practice. A check mark is written for every word that the child reads correctly. When the child miscues, draw a horizontal line, writing the incorrect word that the child said above the line and the actual word from the text below the line. This is called a substitution. If the child leaves out a word, this is called an omission. Again, draw a horizontal line with the word omitted below the line and a dash above the line to indicate that the word was not read. An insertion is recorded in the opposite manner. In this case, a dash is written below the line and the word inserted is written above the line. This indicates that this word was not in the text. Insertions, omissions, and substitutions are all considered errors. Anytime that a miscue is recorded, the word from the text always goes below the line that you've drawn, and whatever the child has said is written above the line. A way to remember this is that whatever comes from the text being read is the common denominator, no matter what kind of miscue the child makes. When a child miscues but then reads the correct word, this is called a self-correction. Recording self-corrections is the main reason why you inform the child at the beginning that you cannot help with the reading. In order to get an accurate sense of what the child can do independently, it is very important to avoid helping the child, if at all possible, hence the term self-correction. Self-corrections are recorded in the same manner as a substitution, with one modification. If the child self-corrects, draw a vertical line behind the recorded miscue and write SC in the top corner. When a child is sounding out a word but never deviates from the correct pronunciation of that word, it is called problem solving. This is different than a self-correction. Whereas self-correction indicates that a miscue was made and corrected, with problem solving, no error has occurred. The child is simply piecing together the word without deviating from the text. Problem solving is recorded in the same manner as a self-correction, with the only difference being that a check mark is placed in the top corner, indicating that the word was read correctly after sounding it out. You are going to see two brief clips of children reading. Try to determine if the child is problem solving or self-correcting. In the first clip, the student is attempting to read the word cat. And in the second clip, another student is attempting to read the word starting.